Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful baby blanket stitch. It's so simple and so beautiful. You will repeat only 4 rows. It's so easy. Only you will make puff stitch, front post double and single crochet. That's it. I hope you like it. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. You need odd number chains. Okay, your chains needs to be odd number. I use 4mm hook and my yarns are 100 grams is 210 meters. You can adapt it which size you want. Only you need odd number chains. Okay, if you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful baby blanket. Let's start to crochet. First of all, take the first color and make a slip knot. Then make your chains 1, 2, 3, 4 and plus 1. Then skip the very first stitch, insert into the second and make a single crochet. Then insert into the next and make a single. Insert into the next, make a single. You will continue making single crochets until come to the end of this row. I complete and turn to you. I complete the first row. Now chain 1 and turn your work. Then not count that chain 1. Insert into the same stitch and make a single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one and make a single. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one, make a single. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one. This is the second row. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one, make a single crochet and finish with single crochet. Now take my second color and take this little tail over that yarn. 1, 2, 3 chains and turn your work. Count as the first double. Then you know next to it we have chain 1 space. Insert my hook here, grab my yarn and lose it. Yarn over, insert into the same, grab my yarn, lose it. Yarn over, insert into the same, grab my yarn and lose it. We have 7 loops. Pull through all together and chain 1. Yarn over and make a double crochet on the single crochet stitch. Make a puff stitch in chain 1 space. 1, 2, 3. Pull through all together, chain 1. Yarn over, make a double crochet on the single crochet stitch. Make a puff stitch on the chain 1 space. 1, 2, 3. Pull through all together and chain 1. Make a double on the single crochet, then make a puff on the chain 1 space. I come at the end, make a double on the single crochet, make a puff on the chain 1 space, chain 1 and finish with double crochet on the last stitch. It looks more wider because we made a puff. Now we will crochet single crochet, it will comes to normal. Chain 1 and turn my work and not count as a single crochet the first stitch. You see here 2 stitch, but we have only 1. Okay, we insert our hook the top of that puff here, make a single, then Not that, this is not a stitch. Okay. Insert your hook top of that double. Insert your hook top of that puff. Not that. Insert your hook top of that double crochet. Inserting to the top of the puff stitch. This is not a stitch. Okay. Insert your hook top of that double crochet and make a single crochet on the puff and on the double. After that row, you have the same number of the starting chains. Make your control like that. On the puff, and this is the last double crochet. I insert my hook last stitch, grab my yarn and close that loop with my first color. Chain 1 and turn my work, not count that chain 1, insert into the same stitch and make a single crochet. Then we come to the second stitch, yarn over and insert my hook middle loops of that puff. Grab my yarn, lose it, pull through 2, pull through 2. Skip the second stitch, insert into the top of that double and make a single. Then yarn over, take these middle loops, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Then insert into the top of double, make a single. Yarn over, take the middle loops, grab my yarn, make my front post double crochet. Then make a single crochet on the double crochet stitch. Keep continuing like that. One front post, make your front post on the middle loops of that puff stitch. Then make a single crochet on the double crochet stitch. I come at the end, take the middle loops, make front post and make a double crochet on the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn my work. Not count that chain 1. This is the second rows repeating. Insert into the same stitch and make a single. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into next one and make a single. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into next one, make a single. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one. Come to the end, chain 1, skip 1 and I will make my last single, last stitch. Grab my yarn. This time take my second color and complete it like that. Chain 3, this is the third rows repeating. We will make our puff stitches. Count as the first, double crochet. Then we have chain 1 space, you know, insert into the chain 1 space here. You can see that space. Make my puff 1, 2, 3. Pull through all together and chain 1. Yarn over, insert into the single crochet stitch. Make a double. Then come to chain 1 space here. Make a puff 1, 2, 3. Pull through all together and chain 1. Then make a double on the single crochet stitch. Then make my puff 1, 2, 3. I have 7 loops. Pull through all together and chain 1. Repeat of the row 2. I come at the end. This is my last chain 1 space. Insert here and make my puff 1, 2, 3. Pull through all together, chain 1 and make my last double on the last stitch. This time repeat of the fourth row and we will make single crochet in every each stitch. Chain 1 and turn my work. Count as the first stitch, or if you not count, make one more single here. Insert into the top of that single and make top of that puff and make a single. You know this is not a stitch. Insert your hook top of that double. Insert top of that puff, then top of that double. Top of that puff, not this, insert here. I come at the end, I insert the top of that puff. This is not a stitch. I insert into the last double crochet, grab my yarn and take my first color again. Chain 1 and turn my work. Not count that stitch, insert into the same stitch. Look at here and make a single crochet. Then do the same thing on the 5th row. Yarn over and take the middle loops, grab my yarn, pull through to, make a front post. Insert my hook top of that double crochet, make a single. Insert my hook from that middle loops, grab my yarn, pull through to. Then make a single crochet on the double crochet stitch. Then make front post, as same as the 5th row. Okay, I come at the end, the last puff's middle stitch, make my last front post and make last single crochet on the last stitch. Chain 1 and not count and turn my work, insert into the same stitch and make a single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one. You will always repeat these 4 rows until which size you want. Okay, chain 1, skip 1 and insert into the last stitch, grab my yarn and take the second color, take it, chain 3, you know this is my first double, and here we have chain 1 space and we have here chain 1 space, and do the puff stitch again. 1, 2, 3. Pull through all together and chain 1, then make a double crochet on the single crochet stitch. You will keep repeating. You will keep repeating all these 4 rows until which size you want. I repeat it a little after turn 2. I repeat it a little more. I hope you like it. It's a beautiful blanket pattern, I think. You can keep repeating which size you want. Only you need odd numbers chains. If you want to make a baby blanket, you need minimum 90 centimeter. Or if you want to make a throw, you need 110 centimeter or 130. It's your choice. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.